Many believe that there are superstitions that follow us wherever we go. Whether you try to avoid crossing paths with a black cat, the number 13, or the dreaded breaking glass that causes 7 years of bad luck. Whatever the case may be, what if I told you there are tattoos out there that you could get or you might already have that are cursed? Yeah, cursed, according to some cultures and individuals. With the time of this recording being around Halloween and spooky season, I figured it would be fun to talk about 6 tattoos that are believed to be cursed. So grab your pumpkin spice coffee, your favorite fall mug, and relax. It's gonna be a fun video. Real quick, I want you to stay to the very end and let me know if you have or ever thought about getting any one of these tattoos, because I would love to know. Starting off with number 1 is relationship tattoos. According to some tattoo artists and individuals, you may ask, people that get relationship tattoos are pretty much marking the end to their love story. People believe in the superstition that if you were to get your significant other's name or something that reminds you of them on your body, that will cause a jinx in that relationship. There is a reason why tattoo artists try to shy away from clients that want to get, say, their significant other's name tattooed on their body. Even though the relationship might be great at that moment, it will most likely be only a matter of time till that person goes back to that tattoo shop asking for a cover-up. So do I really think it's cursed? I don't know, but what I do know is you should never get somebody else's name on your body. Just don't do it. Number 2, black cat tattoos. One of the most popular superstitions out there is that if you were to cross paths with a black cat, you are destined for bad luck. Some people believe that if you were to get a black cat tattooed on your body, that same omen will follow you for an eternity wherever you go. And it literally says an eternity, so it must be true. This superstition that links black cats to bad luck dates back centuries, due to the black cats being commonly associated with demonic rituals and witches. Now, with demonic rituals and witches aside, we do not live back in the medieval times. Many people have these cute little fur babies living with us in our homes. There's still a good amount of people that believe that black cats and black cat tattoos are cursed, but there's also a even bigger group of people that don't believe in any of this mumbo jumbo. So number 3, religious tattoos. No matter what religion you worship, religious tattoos are some of the most popular tattoos that people get on their bodies. Whether that's the cross, the Jewish star, portrait of Jesus, or any of the other ones. Even though you see religious tattoos on people pretty regularly, some tattoo artists and religious groups out there believe that if you were to get these tattoos on your body and they are either done incorrectly or placed on the wrong part of the body, it could bring bad energy and misfortune to that person's life. This is why most people say that you should go to a tattoo artist that either practices that religion that you want to get tattooed on you or that specializes in that art style. Also, make sure you do your research just so you don't get that religious tattoo on a spot that is known to be disrespectful in that religion. Number 4, the dragon's eyes. Dragon tattoos are considered one of the most popular tattoos that you could get, especially to the Japanese culture. Most dragon tattoos that people get on their bodies take multiple sessions. Due to the beautiful colors, the intricate designs in the creature, and the scaling, these tattoos can take a while. With that being said, you will notice that tattoo artists will tattoo the dragon's eyes last. In the Japanese culture, it is considered bad luck to tattoo the dragon's eyes before the rest of the creature is complete. Dragons are considered protectors and guardians. Many people believe getting this creature tattooed on you will bring forth the dragon's spirit to protect you. If the artist completes the eyes first, the dragon's soul will enter through the artwork, and the dragon will have no choice but to deal with the pain of the tattoo until it is fully complete. So in the Japanese culture, an unhappy dragon leads to misfortune and bad luck. Number 5, pentagram tattoos. The pentagram can represent a bunch of different meanings, but with that said, this symbol is most commonly linked to Satanism and the mark of the beast. Some religious groups say that if you were to get this symbol tattooed on your body, you are marked by the devil and bad, evil energy will follow you wherever you go. Also, aside from this tattoo being considered cursed, if you were to get this tattoo somewhere visible on your body, you might get treated differently from other people that see that symbol on you. tattoo. Number 6, Ouija board tattoos. Ouija boards, you know those things that people use to communicate with the dead or will literally attract demons into your life? Yeah, those things. Ouija board tattoos are really popular to get, especially around the Halloween season. Many people believe that if you were to get a tattoo of a Ouija board, even if it's just part of the board, you are inviting ghosts and demons to haunt you. Now, most cases, people that have tattoos of Ouija boards on their body experience nothing. But from doing research for this video, there were some stories I was reading where people stated that they got a Ouija board tattoo and then right afterwards they started getting tormented day in and day out by something they couldn't explain. Another story on Reddit stated that they were having consistent dreams of people burning. And another story said that after they got the Ouija board tattoo that they felt like they were being watched at all times. And each story stated that they felt a presence of an unknown entity. My hair is literally standing up just talking about it. Now, with that being said, with all of these cursed tattoos, there's really no concrete evidence that they are in fact cursed. Go off of your own beliefs, even though that last story when I was doing research for it freaked me the hell out. If you want to watch more tattoo related content, check this playlist out right here. And if you haven't yet, be sure to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you next time.